We are packaging 55,000 meals. We're currently at, I believe we just hit 19,000 meals. So they're doing an amazing job.
Massive turnout, more volunteers than we've ever had before. There's people at every station jumping about.
There's a fine balance between properly dancing and not making a mess on the table. So everyone's bobbing their heads and having a great time.
Oh, the atmosphere is a whole lot of fun in there. It's got the DJ going, the Red Bull kicking around. It's a really good thing to be part of, and the team are having a great time.
It is an absolute vibe.
Well, it's about community and giving back.
It's the reason why we do it, isn't it? Like, you have an opportunity to make a difference, which is just so fulfilling, not just for us, but for our team and for our customers.
For me, it kind of just grounds you again. The things that we stress about is insignificant when you just want to feed somebody. You leave thinking in a different way.
It's not just a meal for someone who is hungry, and obviously that's important, but it's an opportunity for that person to learn. It creates trade for the local community. The meals help them to spend money that they would have spent on meals on farming or chickens and eggs, and you just see this whole ripple effect of the good that starts with a meal.
The next Plate for Plate Day, you should be there, not just to make an impact in people's lives, but to make that impact with folks from the community that are coming together for one purpose. So if you're not here, you're missing out. We'll hope to see you next year.